Imagine if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning. At the equator, the surface moves at about 1670 kilometers per hour. If this motion halted instantly, everything not solidly anchored, oceans, the atmosphere, buildings, people, would continue moving at that speed due to inertia, resulting in catastrophic devastation. Skyscrapers would collapse, trees would be uprooted, and people would be thrown violently, causing mass destruction. The atmosphere would continue spinning, generating winds of supersonic speed. This would strip the surface bare, flattening cities and scarring landscapes. Oceans would surge inland as massive tsunamis, drowning coastlines across the globe. The planet's shape would slowly change too. Currently, Earth bulges at the equator due to its rotation. Without spin, gravity would redistribute water toward the poles, flooding northern and southern regions while equatorial areas might dry out. Over time, Earth would become more spherical, changing sea levels dramatically and reshaping coastlines worldwide. The 24-hour day-night cycle would vanish. One half of the Earth would face the sun for 6 months, experiencing extreme heat, while the other half would be in freezing darkness. This would disrupt weather systems, agriculture, and ecosystems. Without the Coriolis effect, jet streams and ocean currents would stop, collapsing the climate systems we depend on. The magnetic field might weaken or vanish, as it is partly generated by Earth's spinning molten core. That would leave us exposed to solar radiation and increase the risk of atmosphere loss over time. Satellites and GPS systems would fail, as they rely on Earth's rotation for synchronization. Timekeeping, which depends on Earth's rotation, would need redefining. Despite the catastrophe, Earth's revolution around the Sun would continue, but life as we know it would be fundamentally altered, perhaps even rendered extinct. Fortunately, there's no known physical process that could suddenly stop Earth's spin, so this scenario remains in the realm of theoretical disaster science.